Deputy Commissioner ka East Councils ka kongarem korba ka simpale ka banjur ya ka jingdon kam bandon ka disaster management plan DMP ïing kisam pat kishnong gitaw na lor bakla kentu ki pa man Kiar naka jingpynkheiñ ya kian shna ïing ne ka building bylaws haba crunch ke lat pathai ku bor ha ka bedei but ka mock drill exercise ka kong korba ba ka jingpalong ya ka exercise baro ka long ban pentikna bandon ka jingpynkheiñ ban la banile persha ya kinu jingsha penjilor khamtam no juman da ka baburu ha ka jingpat khan ba ka Meghalaya ka ha pa po ka zone 5 ka badei ka seismic zone ka bahedo ha ka perthai ka kongkur ba ka badei ka chairperson jong ka district disaster management DDME kumjuru kala banjur ya ka jingdan kam ban pelong ya ka jingpan sngotu pad ba ha ki shnong ki thau ki office bat ki school ba kumno an la ban sumar habawan ki jingja ki juma nalor ba ki longïing ki dei bandan la ki jong ki disaster management plan kumjuru ha ki shnong ki thau.
Disaster management actually there is this within the subject health education and all. There's a little bit on that, but it's not as detailed as what we would expect. So that is why it is as you correctly pointed out. I think more maybe perhaps not just a lesson plan, but a more additional subject or an elaborate subject should be incorporated as part of the school or curriculum of the colleges. Yes.